Integrating Hubspot with WordPress enhances your marketing efforts by capturing leads and managing contacts seamlessly. Here's a concise guide on how to integrate Hubspot with WordPress. Hubspot account. If you don't have one, sign up for a Hubspot account and choose a plan. Install Hubspot plugin. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to plugins and search for the Hubspot all-in-one marketing plugin. Install and activate it. Connect accounts. In the plugin settings, connect your Hubspot account by logging in or entering your API key. Configure settings. Customize integration settings such as form behavior, cookie tracking, and syncing options. Form integration. Create forms in Hubspot and embed them in your WordPress site using shortcodes or the plugins block. CTA integration. Embed Hubspot's call to action module into your WordPress content to guide visitors toward desired actions. Analytics tracking. Ensure the Hubspot tracking code is added to your WordPress site for accurate visitor tracking. Lead capture. Capture leads through forms, pop-ups, and CTAs on your WordPress site. Capture data will sync to your Hubspot CRM. Lead nurturing. Use Hubspot CRM and marketing tools to nurture captured leads with targeted content and automated workflows. Smart content. Implement Hubspot smart content to personalize website experiences based on visitor interactions. Email sign-up forms. Add Hubspot's email sign-up forms to your WordPress site to collect subscribers for email marketing. Integration updates. Regularly update the Hubspot plugin to ensure compatibility and access new features. Troubleshooting. If you encounter issues, refer to HubSpot support resources or WordPress community forums. Training resources. Utilize HubSpot Academy to enhance your skills in both platforms' integration and usage. Optimize. Continuously analyze data and refine strategies based on insights to improve engagement and results.